मैं समय गर्ल्स के रूम में एंट्री कर रहा हूँ, मुझे परमिशन मिल गई है इस लेट इवनिंग, है ना. लेट्स सी व्हाट्स गर्ल्स ऑफ कोलकाता स्टेट मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी गर्ल्स स्टूडेंट्स आर डूइंग. ओके, कम इनसाइड. ये भी रूम उसी तरह है, यह राइट में बाथरूम है. और अगर देखा है बॉयज़ के रूम का बड़ी, यहाँ पे शीशा लगा हुआ गर्ल्स के लिए, हैंगर्स है ना. तो अंदर आते हैं, देखते हैं व्हाट दे आर रियली डूइंग. ये रूम बहुत बड़ा है, इसमें खुद की पर्सनल किचन भी अगर देखा जाए तो, है ना. ये किचन है, वॉश बेसिन है, तो दे लिव वेरी कंफर्टेबल जोन. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे. यहाँ पे फ्लैट जाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है मेरे स्टूडेंट्स को, मेरे पास नहीं पड़ती है जरूरत. ओके, वी विल आस्क सम क्वेश्चंस आफ्टर वर्ड विद द गर्ल स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ कोलकाता स्टेट मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी, है ना. अभी देख रहे हैं आप स्टडी पर्सन बिजी है बेचारी, आई एम डिस्टर्बिंग देम. ओके, है ना. ये जो है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 बेडरूम है. और मेरे ख्याल से और रूम की तरह यहाँ पे भी क्या ना, बच्चे लोग कभी कभार पढ़ाई करते हैं, यहाँ पे स्टडी रूम भी अवेलेबल है, मेरे ख्याल से मेस भी अवेलेबल है. तो जो हॉस्टल में सोने के लिए है, वो अपनी पर्सनल थिंग को स्टोर करने के लिए है ना. और बहुत अच्छा लड़कियों ने इंतजाम कर रखा है. देखें कितना होशियारी से ऊपर जो है ब्रीफकेस लगा रखे हैं, जिससे कि एक्स्ट्रा जो है यहाँ पर स्पेस ना लगे यहाँ पर. टेल मी अबाउट योर लिविंग्स हियर इन दिस सिटी, इन दिस हॉस्टल. व्हाट यू लाइक मोर and what you are doing in your spare time. Can you explain? Yeah.
Place, it's nice to live, sir. And it's very comfortable to stay here.
Okay.
It's good.
I found in the city there is very less number of the elements or gadgets or some places which can be distracting you from the study. So in my thought, your whole time is going to college, maths and studying, yeah. And it is as on his advantage. You are getting more good marks in the college, and parallel you are preparing for a Medical Council of India test. It is true.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What was the first impression when you came to the city? Because I heard that all of came from metropolitan city. Yes. So, and this is not a metropolitan city; it's a whole small city with a population of 1.5 lakhs people, you know. So what do you think? What was your reaction? Can you tell me, please?
When I entered Kokshetau, it was very snow at that day. It was falling snow.
Okay.
So we felt, oh, it's very good, very good. But after some days, we were like, it's very cold. How to survive?
Okay. So but the hostels have the heating, right?
Yes,
Because I see you are
heating.
sitting in t-shirts, so you are feeling comfortable temperature. So as compared to outside, it's cold. I can understand. It's the situation of all over the CIS country where the Indian students are loving to go to for their medical career. So after that, what you did, like how you adapt, how you found the stores and local language. There is some local language barrier also.
Our teacher helped us to learn, and they told that you can use these words. You can use these words in magazines and speak with them like this.
Okay, so you had a kind of adaptation program from the side of university, like 2-3 days they were roaming here and there with you, showing the things and telling things. You can buy this thing from here, you can buy this thing here, this is called this is called
When
this.
we came, they already gave us jugs and shoes for winter. It
Okay.
was very winter, so already they provided us everything.
Okay, so it's a kind of gift from the side of university.
From our in charge.
Okay,
Hostel in charge.
okay. See, here student received first time when they came in their first course, they received warm boots and
And jugs.
as a gift to come into Kokshetau. So I think so it's a very good proposition for you to come here to get free of cost a gift of jugs and a warm boot. Okay, and I am repeating once more time, it's a very budget university, but the arrangement provided by the university admission is very 5-star level, very comfortable. Students are really feeling good. So I think this is the compensation of the small city, and this is the attraction, and this is the respect of the small city to the foreigner Indian students who are studying here. And I think this thing has to count. The students who are attracted has been more distracted from unwanted type of elements and activities as compared to the small cities, where you can fully focus on your MCI and the study process or another country examination like USMLE or PLAB. Okay, what is the future plan? What you will do after finishing from here MBBS?
I will give USMD. I will not go back to India. some
Okay,
other country.
is it allowed from here? You can give USMLE in Kazakhstan. In which city you have to go for assembly, and in which course you can give?
We will ask afterwards.
Okay. See, she has what's the good name? Husband name?
Pooja.
Pooja has a plan to give USMLE and from directly from here go to USA. And she's saying and she's confidently saying that she has a plan and she will found center of examination USMLE and she will exam. She will not go back to India. And this is a quite clear message for the students who are planning, who maybe don't understand that apart from India, there are very good more places in developed country where you can work as a doctor and make your career more bright and livings also. So in her understanding that you are getting good and very good quality education at very normal price and you will implement this knowledge in USA, am I right? This is the answer and this should be the right approach, and I can say this is the right approach. Go and get at budget and cheap or quality education in small places in foreign, make your parents expenses less and gather more and more knowledge and use the knowledge to fight USMLE and pleb and make your future more bright by your own without depending on your parents. So it's a very good answer, it's a very good thought, and I wish you luck in future that you will give your USMLE and you will so you can become very good and professional doctors. And we also wish you that more and more activities and cities activities will distract you less from your study, and you so you can put more focus on your studies and on your career. Okay, Pooja?
Yes.
So good luck.
Thank you.
And have a nice day, have a nice weekend. Okay.
There is a timing.
Yeah, timing also. So what kind of feelings you have in this city? You are safe?
Yeah, safe.
Okay. Girls from Tamil Nadu is saying that they are safe here, and I will wish them luck in future, so that they also become a very good doctor and professional. And in this, on this video, my hostel blog of Cox's State Medical University is finishing, and today my tour is successfully finished in Cox's State Medical University, and I can proudly say that I am very much impressed from this university and the students and the student collective and the unity and the diversity they have and the kind of protecting character they have. And a kind of relation I found within the teachers and university administration among the students. So I am fully satisfied with the university, and I can rank this good university under the budget university. I am repeating, you will get that high quality of education at only the cost of 3.5 thousand USD per year, and the hostel is 500 USD. That's all you need to expense. Okay, goodbye, take care. Bye.